Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you all. In this video, I would like to share with you the fifth video out of the five, the last one, okay, from of the series, yeah, of implicit differentiation questions. Okay, so let's get started. So we have equation here with k and m. For sure, k and m are constant. For sure, we have to find this one lah. And then we have two additional information that will help us to figure out the value of k and m. The first one being first derivative at 1, 1 is 3. And the second one is the second derivative. The value of second derivative is minus 4 at the same point of 1, 1. Okay, so let's get started. Kx squared y minus mx equals y squared. So what should we do? We differentiate each term with respect to x. Okay, this one in terms of x minus differentiate mx with respect to x, differentiate y squared with respect to x. Now, since k and m are both constant, we can put it outside, okay, so that we won't get confused. Okay, so tak muat. So wait, I padam dx, and then I put m over there. Okay, I think that's good. Now let's solve this, the first differentiation. Now for this one, we know we have to use product rule. So it's easy. We differentiate the first part of the product, and then the second part multiply plus the first part, the first part multiply the differentiation of the second part with respect to x. Okay, and then next is differentiation of x with respect to x, which is 1, and 1 multiplied by m is m. Okay, equals this one, differentiation of y squared with respect to x is 2y dy dx. Okay, so let's continue with this lengthy bracket. Okay, k, this the first one. Okay, the first one is easy, 2x and then multiply by y, just put next to it, plus x squared multiply by differentiation of y with respect to x, and then dy dx minus m equals 2y dy dx. Okay, so we have we've done the first derivative. Okay, so let's use this information. Okay, the first derivative is 3, dy dx is 3 at 1, 1. Okay, so what should we do is copy all, put it here. Okay, alamak, the k lost its pole. Okay, now we substitute all the values. Okay, now we have the x, so I change all the x now. X is 1, x is 1, no longer x. Okay, now we substitute all the y's. Y is 1, y is 1. Okay, now we substitute the value of dy dx. dy dx is 3, dy dx is 3. Okay, afterwards we solve lah. This one, 2 plus 3 is 5, minus m equals 6. And then I rearrange it nicely. I have 5k minus 6. Okay, so this is the function of m in terms of k. Now we have, what should we do is we have to find the second derivative. So it's easier to get the second derivative from which one? This one. But we have to adjust it a little bit. Okay, tak apa. So second derivative, okay, second derivative is by having that this thing, okay, but we have to expand this one, we have to expand the k first. So we have 2kxy plus kx squared dy dx minus m equals 2y dy dx. Okay, now then we can differentiate term by term easily. Now differentiate 2kxy with respect to x plus differentiate kx squared dy dx, dx with respect to x minus differentiate m with respect to x equals differentiate 2y dy dx with respect to x. Okay, now 2k, k, m no need lah, and 2 are constant. Okay, so what we can do is take it outside. We put them outside. So 2k, this one I move it lah. Okay, so this one is k, and then I put 2 outside. Okay, y here, 2 here, differentiate with respect to x is here. Correct. Then we can proceed lah easily. Okay, now the first differentiation is by using product rule. Okay, so as you notice, in implicit differentiation, you must be well versed in product rule at least, and also quotient rule. Quotient rule is optional. Okay, most of the time you will deal with quotient rule. Okay, so if you kind of start with product rule. If you kind of start with product rule, so you have to do more exercises on product rule, then you can do implicit differentiation better. Okay, now what should we do? Product, differentiate the first one, multiply the second one, this one with respect to x lah, plus the first one multiply the differentiation of the second one. Okay, settle with that one. This one pula. Okay, now plus k. This one also the same thing. This one we use product rule. This one we use a product rule. So so what should we do? We differentiate the first one. Okay, multiply the second one, plus the first one multiply the differentiation of the second one with respect to x. Okay, so I zoom in out, okay, because it's getting longer. Now how about this one? Forgot to close. Okay, now how about this one? M is a constant, so minus 0 equals this one. Also we need to use product rule. Okay, so too long. Okay, tak apa. I do it over here. Okay, so we differentiate the first term with respect to x, multiply by dy dx, plus the first one multiply by the differentiation of the second one. Okay, correct, settle. Okay, now I zoom and we do these two first, and then we go back into that one on the right hand side. Okay, so 2k bracket dx in terms of with respect to x is 1, multiplied by y is y, plus x multiplied by the differentiation of y in terms of x with respect to x is dy dx. Oh my god, my dx is horrible. Okay, close, plus k. Okay, this one is 2x multiply dy dx. Okay, and then next x squared, x squared you copy paste lah. Okay, and then this one we differentiate the first derivative with respect to x. So what we get is the second derivative in terms of x, and then close bracket. Okay, now let's move on to the right hand part. This one also very lengthy. Okay, now differentiate y with respect to x is dy dx, but we multiply with this one, so dy dx multiply dy dx is dy dx squared, plus y multiply by differentiation of the first derivative with respect to x is the second derivative itself. And then close lah. Okay, now maybe I move this a little bit further, closer. Good. Now, so we have this. What should we do? We substitute. What value? This value from the question. This is it. Okay, it's given that, okay, the value of second derivative, okay, at 1 is minus 4. Okay, so I copy paste all this. Okay, copy and then paste, and then we can substitute the values. Now y is 1. Okay, we substitute all the y's inside it. This one y also 1. Okay, what else? Okay, done. Okay, now we substitute x. This is x. Okay, and then k to x. This is x also 1. And then over there x squared, right? Okay, 1 squared. Where else? Okay, done. Now we substitute. Oh, dy dx. Forgotten. dy dx is 3, right? Where? Oh, here. Dy dx is 3. Okay, don't forget the value. Otherwise, we cannot proceed lah. So, this one, dy dx is 3. dy dx is 3. dy dx is 3. Okay. So, clearly from this equation, we want to figure out this value of the second derivative. Wait. No need. Given already here. Okay, sorry. So, we gantilah. Minus 4. Okay, this one. Also ganti. Minus 4. Okay, settle. Nothing left. Only k we can figure out what k is. So, 2k. This one, 1 plus, 1 plus 3, 4 lah. 4, right? Okay, 4. Okay, plus. Correct. I made a mistake, is it? Why the bracket like that? Oh, correct. Correct. Okay, so this one pula. Okay, bracket 6 plus, minus 4. Okay, now this one equals berapa tu? 299 minus 4. Okay, now 5 lah. 5 lah. Correct. So k is 2k. Correct. And then this one what? 10. 8k. Why so? Okay, correct. So 10k equals 10. K is 1. Okay. K is 1. Okay, what else we haven't figured out? Oh, M. So M is 5k minus 6. M is 5k minus 6. Now k is 1. Okay, so we can substitute. So minus 1. Therefore, there's the value of k and m. K is 1. Okay, and m is minus 1. Okay, thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum and have a good day.